Metal Gear RC here. Just giving a little update. Been working on the garage as well as getting some scale items for the garage. Make it look good. Got a little Coleman ice chest there. Getting ready for Halloween with my little pumpkin. Got the 3 Optima batteries, the blue top, red top, and the yellow top. Got a little WD-40 can there with the label printed out. Oop. Well, I got some buckets. You can never have too many buckets. I'll be printing some safety tags for those as well. Put them on there. If you ever notice the warning, I'm going to be putting those as well. I think I'm going to make these like some Home Depot buckets. Not sure what I'm going to do for this one here. And then I got my oil pan here. Oh, dirty used oil pan. And then kind of have the Bruiser knockoff clone. I got a little work doing on it, removing some of the old plastic boxing that was there, as well as I pull out the big motor and I put a more scale 540 can motor in there, but it's brushless. I got the servo up front mounted. A 3D print I did for this one. Now, there's my servo. It's just a 20 kilogram. Works really good. Have no issue with it. But yeah, one of the next things I'm going to be doing too would be the back bumper, the bumper that came with it. Recently, I just never had any issue of it cracking or anything, but recently I backed up into something, cracked that one, and then this one just cracked right off. So I'll be probably drawing up a bumper for this one and printing it out. If I like how it looks, I'll probably making it out of metal. But as of now, that's kind of where I stand with the truck. I had this motor in there. It's the let's see if I can get into focus. The Race Star 4-pole. It's the, come on, focus. It's the 3650 3100 kV motor. Really strong. I mean, I have this Tamiya monster truck for a little over 15 years, and I've had another motor in there and never really performed very well. And then I put that guy in there on a 3S, and I could barely keep it from going on a wheelie. Thing wheelie down the road if I held it just right. I also got the some. Let's see if I can show it. The 35 kV. Been running those for about a year now, front and back. No issues. I had some high-tech, high-torque servos on those with servo savers, and I mean, they lasted maybe 6 months, and they were junk after that. I bought these, came with aluminum horns. No issues, no problems. I mean, I actually had to tune them down a little bit because they were pretty fast and I didn't like it too fast. especially racing around the yard. I don't want it to, because this thing is pretty top heavy and he'll flip over. So I tune him down so he won't roll over so easily. But that's my Tamiya Bruiser clone, and been changing up. Made me some rims, printed those out. Got these tires on it, and got a couple more updates to it. Hopefully getting a light kit, well, making a light kit for it, and then putting that on there, and some other upgrades, but that's down the road. Little here, little there. Hopefully I'll get it all on video and upload it. Thanks for watching.